Hi guys, so morning. So today I just decided to do a quick vlog or video because I received a parcel. Actually, this this is from my friend. So last year they also sent me a gift to that. So ginawa ko siya ng video guys then, but I think I didn't upload it. Same na ganito guys na nag-video ako for a mini vlog and sabi ko sa sarili ko na i-upload ko siya for unboxing. so, so I think today, kung hindi ko ba ito ma-upload, another video sa inbox ko na naman. But, memories to keep. So, this is from Namshi. I don't know, yesterday, so, my friend called me na may deliver nga daw na parcel dito sa bahay. But I was not at home kasi nasa church ako. So, yan. By the way, kakagising ko lang. So, ang pagod ng face natin. Naghilamos naman ako pala. Wait. Before anything else, dito pa talaga ako nag let me have lang a moisturizer. This is, by the way, I'm using the 6 peptide skin booster from CosRX. Vlogger. So let me take this opportunity na lang to share my products that I'm using. Wait, let me share to you. This one, I am using the new Labello Caring Beauty. So actually, I am using this one, guys, for moisturizing my lips. And now, you can now use this one to moisturize as well yung inyong cheeks. So see that I have mga scars sa aking cheeks. So I had minimal dry skin kasi nga, I did a, what do you call that? I did a, brain fog, my god. I did a microneedle sa aking face. So, I'm using this one. I'm putting a hyaluronic skin booster sa aking face. And at the same time, I'm applying also a moisturizer from, so this is the moisturizer that I'm using from La Roche-Posay. So, this one is good. Pero since nasa bahay lang ako, so I'm gonna show you the one that I'm using for moisturizing my face. And at the same time, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng kulay yung inyong mga cheeks, you can also use this one as your blush on. See? Look at that. It's so pigmented. And then, ano to siya guys? This is not a makeup ha. This is just a moisturizer. Look. See this one? So, maganda. Ang ganda niya guys. This is a Care Beauty from Labello Lip and Cheek Moisturizer. So, dati kasi, I am using Shimmer Makeup. So, nag-worry ka na maybe nakaka-dry ng skin. So, I highly recommend this product guys. It's very good. And it also has a 30 SPF. So, yan. So, tama na tayo dun sa ating intro. So, actually, ginawa ko lang naman yun kasi parang ang pale ko kasi sa video na to. Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to upload this one. But, ang dami kong videos. You know, I have a lot of videos sa aking phone na store lang. So, this one. So, shout out sa aking friendship. Those are my yellow here in Saudi Arabia. But they are now in Jeddah. So, magkalayo kami guys. So, yun. Oh, they are very thoughtful talaga. It's a bag. It's a new bag. Oh, it's nice. Ang cute. So, another add-ons to our OOTD. Tada, what's this? It's another, yeah, they know na mahilig talaga ako sa ganito. Yeah. Thank you. So, meron ako guys, papunta ng grocery. Yes. This one, ang ganda sa loob. I can put my stuff pa din. Parang ang taba-tawa ng face ko ngayon. Ganyan talaga pag tired. Anyway, thank you so much. That's it. Ganda guys ng pigment ng aking new moisturizer. So, must have. On my link on my yellow basket. Charis, dapat may ganun para mag-affiliate ako dito sa Saudi. Para kumita kasi tayo guys, dapat yung kakagawa natin ng mga videos, gawin nating affiliate. So, tulad niya na may mga products akong ginagawa. So, I have friends also na very, curious kung anong ginagamit ko sa face. So, I am sharing to them. So, dapat, marunong tayo mag-affiliate. Actually, yung TikTok ko guys is, in-enroll ko siya sa affiliate. So, kumita naman siya na umuwi ako ng Pinas. But, the sad part is, nung bumalik ako dito sa Saudi is, hindi siya nag-a-appear. Nakalagay doon is, hindi applicable sa tawag nito, sa location. So, hindi ako kumikita ngayon. So, guys, kung sino man nandito sa Saudi, please help me paano mag-affiliate dito sa Saudi, guys. I really need an extra income. And, you know what, ang dami kong pinag-share, and hindi ako kumikita doon. So, yan. So, I think if may mga nag-affiliate dito sa TikTok, na which is Riyadh talaga no? Kasi nga, yung sa Philippine na TikTok is hindi siya applicable sa country na to. So, sa Philippines na siguro, hindi ko kasi ma-add or just, enlighten me nga, turuan niyo ako guys. Because, for someone like me na mahilig talaga mag-video and love to share my products that I'm using, yung iba kasi talaga, really, they're earning from that, Well, make up to it. Make up to it. Anyways, that's it guys. So, thank you for watching. I don't know kung saan ko i-upload. Siguro sa lahat ng social media para may income. Visit. Bye! So guys, by the way, buti ko na makalimutan. I have another gift. So this one is from Pastor Rebet. So, happy birthday to me. From Pastora Beth and Kuya Chris. So, thank you so much for your gift. I really appreciate it. Maraming salamat. So, I don't know what's this. It's a skirt. It's a short. Thank you. Bango. Bango. So, the kikay in me will do the short. Thank you. Pwede to siya pang panggamit sa gym. Sa gym. Yes! Thank you guys for watching. Vlogger. Anyways, parang gusto ko balik loob sa vlogging. Kasi nakakatamad mag-edit as in. So, yun. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you in my next vlog. Pwede ganon. Bye!